Yo, sa mga ka-event, another day, another event na naman tayo. Ngayon meron tayong isang kiddie party. Ayan, so kitang-kita naman, obvious naman. Meron tayong first birthday ngayon dito sa ating tie-up venue sa El Sueño. So ayan, so lahat nagsiset up pa. So kami, medyo settled na. Alright, so pakita ko yung gamit natin. So syempre, nandito yung mga ilaw natin. Ayan, meron tayong 4 na amber sa taas, 4 na RGB sa baba. And then, meron tayong mini pearl. Okay? Kasi meron tayong mga moving head. And then, ayan yung laptop or playback natin. Mixer natin. Medyo makalat pa dyan. And then, yung wireless mic natin, ito, nandito sa taas kasi wala na tayong paglagyan. Kasi meron pang tatabi sa atin mamaya at makikita nyo yan. Alright, so dito naman sa part na to, nakaprogram na yung mga ilaw natin, hindi ko na na-videohan. So ayan, so makikita nyo, nag-video shoot yung supplier ng photo and video team. So nandyan din yung haze machine natin. So everything is set up na dyan. Okay na yung mga suppliers natin dyan, catering, kami, and yung other supplier dito sa event na to. Ayan, so ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na katabi natin. So meron tayong katabing DJ spinner dito na kasama ng host, no? So partner siya ng host dito. Alright, so dahil okay ng lahat, pati mga program, pakita ko yung setup natin.
Welcome Daddy Kevin with Baby Ava Puska. Everyone sing. Wow! Everyone sing together. Everyone sing louder. Baby shark. Wow! Gagaling nyo. Everyone together with Daddy Kevin and little mommy Ara and be yourself. Yo! Everyone get ready, sabay-sabay, social distancing. Everyone, get ready, 1, 2, 3, and go! Ilang po kay Baby Ava and family, mommy and daddy, get ready, 1, 2, DJ play the music. Everyone sing! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Yung mas masaya na may palakpakan. Yo! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you once again. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. All right, mommy, Aaron, Daddy Kevin, you gotta 1, 2, 3, make a blow and make a wish. And ladies and gentlemen, this is your host, Protein. I'll see you bukas ulit. Maraming salamat po for giving and send love to celebrate Ava's first birthday only here at El Sueño Events Place and Resort, Marikina.
Alright, so maraming salamat sa pagsama sa video natin na to. Once again, this is